Which part of an aircraft generates the necessary thrust for flight? Answer A, engine. What is the purpose of the rudder on an aircraft? Answer B, control yaw. What type of aircraft has vertical takeoff and landing capabilities? Answer A, helicopter. What is the purpose of the ailerons on an aircraft? Answer C, control roll. Which instrument is used by pilots to measure altitude? Answer A, altimeter. What is the purpose of flaps on an aircraft? Answer A, increase lift. Which part of the aircraft is responsible for controlling the speed and direction of flight? Answer C, throttle. What is the purpose of the fuselage on an aircraft? Answer A, house the cockpit. Which type of aircraft is able to fly without an engine? Answer B, glider. What is the primary function of the stabilizer on an aircraft? Answer A, stabilize the aircraft.